So Linda and I are down here at Kingscliff Beach Holiday Park, and it is just a really great spot to come. We haven't stayed down here before. Out over near the breakwall, and you'll see some drone footage. There's a great area for people to go fishing. I flew the drone over near there and saw some people fishing. It looks like there's either weed or rocks or something out there. So they're having a great time fishing there. Yeah, such a beautiful sunrise this morning. I think it's quite mesmerising. Uh-oh, I'm about to get wet. I think it's quite mesmerising just coming and watching and listening to the waves. Kingscliff Beach. It's a really beautiful part of northern New South Wales, about an hour and a half, I think, south of Brisbane. And yeah, we haven't stayed here before, but we've really enjoyed our time here. And everything's just so handy as well. So the shops, all that sort of stuff, shops, restaurants, even a movie theatre. So we've just stayed here at the park. We haven't had to go and drive anywhere, which is great because we usually do our tripping around on the way to a destination, which is why we went down to Norrie's Head first before we came here. So yeah, it's a place to consider coming, but Linda and I have really enjoyed our time here. I'm out walking out and about. I don't have my phone on me, so no doubt Linda's going to be looking for me and wanting a coffee. And it looks like they've got a coffee shop down at the surf club. So that'll be a bit of a surprise for Linda. We'll go down and have a coffee and just sit back and chill and relax down there for a bit. So we solved the toaster issue?
Yes, so we went to the camp kitchen and toasted it there. So welcome to Linda's campervan cooking.
Yes. So what's for lunch today?
We're having ava and feta on toast. Well, I would usually crush it or smash it and add some lemon juice, and pepper.
Oh yeah.
For today, you've been doing a bit of research on avo, haven't you, Marky?
I have.
What's good for you?
Yes, avocado is one of the best things that you can be eating. It beats having peanut paste on Sayos for lunch, I think.
And you know,
I think it's always just good to be able to eat healthy when you can, especially when we're on the road, because when you're on the road it's always so tempting to, go and grab a fast food,
roll or a meat pie,
a sausage roll, or an absolutely humongous size donut and coffee.
That was this morning, wasn't it?
Don't tell everybody that we ate unhealthy this morning.
They were big donuts, weren't they? Just right across the road, actually.
Yeah, that's the beauty of being here at Kingscliff. Everything's just across the road.
Yeah, yep, it's fabulous. All right, so...
Oh, that looks so good. Now we're going to... What are you going to put on top?
From feta, but... Crumble, crumble, crumble. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Crumble, crumble, crumble. I did wash my hands too.
Oh, that looks so good.
Welcome to Linda's campervan cooking again. This morning we're going to cook French toast. I've never made French toast before, so hopefully it all works out okay. So we've things that you need for French toast are bread, French toast, 2 eggs, some vanilla, maple syrup to put on top, lots of maple syrup, and I've got some cinnamon sugar here. You could just use cinnamon as well. So, shall we make it?
Yeah, let's make some breakfast. I'm hungry.
You're hungry? So
I'm hungry.
2 eggs.
You might want to pick that up quick. 10-second rule. Come on, 10-second rule. Oh my goodness.
That's funny. I told you I should.
That egg doesn't look too good. Now, 2 eggs in the bowl, not on the concrete.
Whatever. Alright, half a cup of milk, which I've already measured out. Some vanilla. I'm not a very good measurer, so it's a bit of a splash kind of thing for me. My kids find it really annoying when they ask me how to make things. I'm like, Mum, how do you make it? I don't know, you just a bit of this, a bit of that. Cinnamon coming right up.
So how much cinnamon are you going to put in?
This much? Like this?
Oh,
See?
okay.
Like that.
Nice.
And then you whisk. I don't have a whisk. We're camping, so it's a fork.
You have to have the right technique for whisking too, don't you?
Yeah, standing over a broken egg.
Yep.
And you cook it or fry it in some butter.
Oh, nice. So a really healthy breakfast, hey?
100%.
Yeah, 100%. Well, it's got eggs in it, so it's got your protein. And,
Dairy.
you know, this means you're going to have to cook it for me at breakfast now when we go home too, if it turns out good.
Alright, here we go. And then we dip the bread into the egg and milk mixture. Dip, 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 dip. Dip, 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 dip. And then into the pan it goes. Yay!
Ooh.
And you fry it for about 2 minutes.
Oh, I can hear that sizzling.
Sounds good.
Here's a flip.
Yummy.
Oh, look at that. So here we have the finished
Taste
product.
test. Oh, yummy. Looks good.
So let's see. It's good?
It's really good. It's really good.
So Kingscliff Beach Holiday Park, it's a great holiday park here. It's had millions of dollars spent on it recently refurbishing. It's got beautiful double concrete slabs, nice wide streets, so it's easy access to get big rigs in on sites as well. So in front of me that's the nice new amenities block. One of the great things they have here too is their own herb garden, and people are encouraged to come here and just help themselves to the herbs. And then right outside the amenities is the camp kitchen. And the camp kitchen, wow, it is so good. Well, looks like I have my little mate here again this morning. Little curlew down there. They're an endangered species, the curlews. And yesterday I was down videoing him, and he wasn't too happy about that. He started hissing and carrying on. This is a beautiful camp kitchen that I've got here, with seated areas outside. The curlew's still sitting there. Might just go in and have a look. So this is inside the camp kitchen. Plenty of room. Some great seating. You can sit there and have a nice meal. Beautiful gas barbecues. And they have a great little lounge area as well. So I'm sure that'll get busy in here tonight with State of Origin happening. And the vans don't back onto each other either here. As you can see, there's a walkway between the back of each van. It's probably about 10 or 15 metres. So you don't feel cramped or crowded. So you might be able to hear that plover. Oh, he's just behind our van. He got cranky with me yesterday because the plover's got a little chick. And there's Katie the camper. Oh, where's the chick? I try and avoid the plover. Just walk through our site. So this is one of a number of accesses straight down to the beach, because the caravan park is situated right on the beach here at Kingscliff. And the park has these really cool, like beach houses. They're not like normal cabins that you go and, say, find in some of the caravan parks. They look like beautiful beach houses with great ocean views. We'll walk along the front, I think. So imagine waking up each morning, coming out, having a coffee, overlooking the ocean. And seeing a beautiful sunrise. The park's also got an access gate straight out onto Marine Parade. Cafes, local hotel, and it's just a one-way street. So yeah, selection of shops outside the park. Next to the caravan park, there's a beautiful green space. Kids can come and play and have an awesome time. This is a great walking path just outside the caravan park. So I've just been to the park next to the caravan park and down to the surf club. So just walking back along this, it's right on the waterfront. So I'll pan around shortly and have a look at the waterfront. Hello. What's Linda up to? What are you doing?
Putting stuff in that cupboard.
Oh, putting stuff up in the cupboard. Okay, cool. Hey, guess what?
What?
I found a new coffee shop.
Did you?
Yes, at the surf club. You know what that means?
We're going to have coffee?
Yes, let's go. It's such a gorgeous day. You can just see the surf club just to my right. Hi everyone. If you've been enjoying this video of Kingscliff, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Leave us a question, leave us any comments. We're going to be doing a Q&A coming up soon. But yeah, like and subscribe because it helps to promote the channel. It puts our YouTube channel out there and it just helps us to grow our community, doesn't it?
Yeah. We'd
So-
love you to come with us.
Yeah.